Okay. On number 6, all they ask you for is to figure out who selected using the plurality method. But the way they present the information, it's as if, you're doing some other kind of method because they ranked them all. But it simply says the plurality method, and the plurality method is only whoever has the most first place votes. So really, they're giving me all this stuff down here that I don't need. I don't need to know their preferences for second, third, and fourth. I just need to know first place. So they gave me more information than I needed here, probably trying to mess me up, but I ain't falling for it. Okay, so how am I going to do this? All right, let's start with the library. So there's only one group of people, those 33 right there, who vote for the library, right? So I think I'll just use highlighters and the black pen. There we go. So there's 33 there. And then we're going to go for housing. You know what? I didn't even read the problem. Sorry. The university administration has asked a group of student leaders to vote on the aspects of college life to target for improvement over the next year. Their choices were: do you want better housing? Do you want a better library? Do you want us to fix up the theater? Do you want a better fitness center? And the votes are summarized in the preference table. What option is selected using the plurality method? So again, plurality is just first place. House, I have H for house. Now there's 18 here that had house as their first place and 7 there. So what's 18 plus 7? 18 plus 7 more would be 25. Check my math because I'm not very good at math. That was a joke. Fitness center, fitness center. There's only one F for fitness center. Aw, only 2 people. Which makes sense to me because most colleges that have fitness centers, that's kind of a new thing. So, libraries are as old as dirt. And then the last one is the theater. How about purple? Going to do the theater. So T for theater. And you've got 13 theater people and 2 more theater people down here. So the 13 plus the 2 is 15. Trying to be dramatic. And so the winner is, the highest amount is 33, so the library. Which makes sense to me because most college campuses have libraries. Housing didn't come around until I don't know when. And theater and fitness centers, that's a later thing too. So yeah, libraries are probably constantly needing to be updated, especially with technology. Okay, I'll shut up now. And that's number 6.